Hey everyone, coming to Kolkata is exciting. But what's even more exciting is coming to Kolkata to meet you at the Alliance Alumni Meet. You see, you guys truly represent Alliance. You are our ambassadors. The successes that you've had, the responsibilities that you've shouldered, the assignments that you've essayed represent us, Alliance, in the world of business. So coming to Kolkata to meet each one of you is going to be an exhilarating experience for me, I'm sure. And I'm sure it's going to be for you too, talking to each other and talking to us. So we can reminisce about the times that you've had at Alliance, about the times that you've graduated and then essayed a successful journey for yourself in the world of business and beyond. Looking forward to meeting each one of you at the Alumni Meet.